Zero to Hero, a series of videos showcasing Cisco's ability to deliver zero trust without complexity. This is the 6th video focusing on securing the remote worker. We're going to focus on Umbrella policy here. So Umbrella offers flexible cloud-delivered security when and how you need it. It combines multiple security functions into one solution, so you can extend protection to devices, remote users, and distributed locations anywhere. Umbrella is the easiest way to effectively protect your users everywhere within minutes. So you can see the scenario there that it shows the user connecting to a secure TLS for public and private apps. And you can see Umbrella providing DNS and web proxy capabilities, cloud access security broker, and much more. And then you've got Duo providing MFA and device posture, behavioral analytics, and clientless remote access. So that rounds out the security component of Zero Trust model, right? Is now adding the security controls to further enhance our Zero Trust approach. So let's go ahead and add that DNS policy here. And we could do a web-based policy or proxy-based policy, but we're going to stick with DNS here. You can see identities. We're going to select the identity and go through this wizard here. You can see Chromebooks, G Suite users, mobile devices. We're going to focus on roaming computers and sites, but you can see there's lots of ways to determine what identity you want this policy applied to. For security categories that we're going to block, we can see malware, command and control, phishing. We're going to use the defaults here, but you got crypto mining, potentially harmful domains. You got newly seen domains. Now for content, we're going to go ahead and do this in DNS. We could actually do this in a web policy or a proxy-based policy. We'll go ahead and use high, and it's going to block adult and illegal activity, etc. It gives a summary of what you're actually going to block, but you can customize that as well. Applications, we're going to block anonymizers and cloud storage, and we can be selective here as opposed to just doing the category. Here we have our destination list, global block and allow list. We can also create our own custom lists here and tie it to a specific identity or multiple identities. We can also inspect files for malicious behavior using a combination of static and dynamic analysis. We also have file reputation and advanced heuristics. We have block page settings here, so we can customize this. We also have bypass users or bypass codes to allow users to make a decision if they want to bypass a control. We'll go ahead and give this a name, and we can come in here very quickly and edit any one of these policies, but let's give it a name. We'll save it out. You can see there's some additional settings. We're going to log all requests, and we'll save it. That's it. That's all you need to do to build out a DNS-based policy. Again, there's other policies that you might be interested in, and if you need to edit it, all you do is drop it down, select the category of interest, and go ahead and make the modification.